Hold on. We got one more.
We need somebody else. One more female. We need somebody else. Can we get anybody?
Just one more.
We got mama. Come on, mama. Yeah. Yeah, come on, mama.
Come on.
You up here now.
Mama, get it. Get it, mama.
All right. That was all in good fun. But I'm your dog, President of Wolfpack ATL.
Hey. Alright, where you at?
For the last 90 or so days, Mr. Wilson has been a faithful
Hold on, let me go outside. I'm calling you right back. I'm calling you right back as soon as I go outside, okay?
At this time, it gives me great
I'll call you as soon
pleasure
as I go outside.
to welcome you and tell you you are now a full member of the Wolfpack. Global alcohol. From henceforth and forevermore in the biking community, you will be known as Lil Diesel.